As a professional angler, we fish in conditions that vary from really hot to really cold, a lot of cover to almost no cover, from California to New York to Florida, and everywhere in between. If you told me I could only have one bait to use in all those situations, it would be a really easy answer for me to give you, and it would be a jig. Namely, a 1/2 ounce Terminator Pro's jig. A few different colors I would go through, but for me, a jig, you can fish it swimming it up shallow, basically as a surface bait. You can drag it on the bottom out in deep water. You can fish it through the water column, and you can fish it right in cover, or you can fish it where there's no cover at all. So if I had to have one bait anywhere in the country, any time of year, 1/2 ounce jig would be my choice.